Kelly from Under a Texas Sky, and I am bringing you a little brief tutorial today. This basically is the second part of the tutorial that I did on this vanity. Mean Man, if you want to scroll down, yes, the Mean Man is back. For those of you who didn't see the video on the vanity, I did that all by myself, and it was pretty funny. But if you can scroll down, we did this vanity. I did this vanity where I did a 3-layer process of chalk paint. This is distressed, but it's distressed with no sanding or anything like that. It's just 3 different layers of chalk paint and some antiquing wax. But we topped it off with a rub-on transfer, and that's what I'm going to show you today. I had included it on the other video, but it made the video too long, so I cut it out. And so I want to talk to you about this rub-on transfer that is absolutely fantastic. It looks beautiful. And I want to show you how easy it is to do. This is a redesign, is the name of the brand name of this transfer. And I actually am a distributor now for them. You can go to my website, underatexassky.com, and you can actually purchase. I've got a handful of them on the website right now. I don't have a huge inventory because I don't know how interested people are going to be, so I didn't want to invest a ton of money. But I want you to go to underatexassky.com if you're interested in making a purchase of the rub-on transfers. And this video is going to show you how easy it is to get the rub-on transfers onto your project, whether it be a piece of furniture, canvas. You can, if you've got a smooth wall, you can absolutely do these on a smooth wall. It's very easy. Actually, it's easier to do than vinyl. It's a little bit more forgiving than vinyl. You have more opportunities to make it how you want it before you make it permanent, semi-permanent. Now, really, the only way you can get this off vinyl, you can peel off unless it's permanent vinyl. This you would have to sand off. So think about that before you put it on a wall. I think it's great for furniture though, and this video that's following, I'm going to be in different clothes and everything. It's going to show you how to do it. This particular transfer came on in this package. This is called Floral Home is the name of the package, and this actually comes with 4 different transfers, and these are all basically this size, which would be a really nice size on canvas. You know, if you'd like to make some matching prints to do a gallery wall, whatever you would like to do, this is a great way to accomplish that. So anyway, before we get to the video on showing you how to do this transfer, I wanted you to be sure and go to underatexassky.com and be sure and subscribe there. Go to my Facebook, which is Facebook, and then look up Under a Texas Sky. You'll find us there. Like my page on Facebook, and that way you'll be aware anytime I put up any new videos or post projects that I don't do videos for. Sometimes I just put them on the blog, and you'll never know really unless you kind of have something reminding you to do that. Also, I have on my Instagram, it's under_a_Texas_sky. That's how you find me on Instagram. But we're going to get right to it, and you'll see how easy this is, and I hope that you give it a try. And honestly, I've only done this one time, and so you're going to see how it goes. I mean, we're going to see the ease at which it happens. I'm going to, you know, if I run into any trouble or whatever, you're going to be right along there with me as it happens. The first thing that you'll do is you remove the backing off of this Mylar. And it comes off really easily. It comes off much more easily than, let's say you work with vinyl a lot. It does release much easier than when you're doing vinyl and your transfer tape. And then I've kind of put some tape. I haven't kind of put tape. I have put tape kind of where I want it to fall on the vanity. My biggest problem always with things like this is making sure that it's, you know, it's not, you know, cattywampus, that it is level and even in between. It always makes me a real nervous wreck anytime I do anything like this. But what's nice about this is that you can see through it, and so you know, you do have the ability to kind of see. I'm going to move the light up a little bit so we have a little bit more light on the subject, because it looks, I think we look pretty good. Come on now, don't stick. Well, you know what? I'm not going to move it because it's really kind of sticking in some places. So whatever we've got, that's what I'm doing. Okay, so that is kind of a lesson right there. Don't let it touch your surface while you're working it out, because portions of it can stick and you don't want to lose any of the transfer when you think you get it right in the right spot. So here we go. It comes with this little stick. And you just go over it, every little bit of it. It's almost like when you do a vinyl transfer. A lot of times, you know, you'll need to put some painter's tape or something on here to be sure that your transfer doesn't move. But boy, this transfer, and I don't know if it's because my surface is so new and clean that it wanted to stick a little quicker. But that's a good lesson right there. Be sure before you kind of put your hand on the middle of it that you have it where you want it. I'm just going to go ahead and continue going over all the letters. I don't know if there's a preferred way to do this, but this seems pretty good. And these can be cut, you know, if you just wanted the flowers, you could actually cut around the flowers and use just the flowers if you wanted to. That's one of the really cool things about these, is you can do that. And then watch, you know, here, because if something doesn't come off, you can always just put it right back down and go over it again. And I love that. And it is just as smooth on top of your surface as can be. And absolutely stunning. Look at how beautiful this is. This is absolutely gorgeous. And that's basically all there is to it. You know, you just rub your transfer on, and then what I've done on this particular piece, I did go over it, and you do need to seal it. If it's going to be on a table or something like that, seal it with a good polyurethane sealer. I used a Rust-Oleum water-based sealer. I put 2 coats on top of it. I mean, and it is nice and smooth. It looks beautiful. It looks hand painted. I think you're going to love it. You know, I am absolutely in love with putting these appliques on furniture. I want to go out and buy a bunch of junk pieces of furniture just so I can finish them and put them on there. Yeah, me man is just upset about that, because that just hits his pocketbook when I want to do that. You can see
I want to set up a GoFundMe page for your project.
Yes, it just turned out beautifully. So thank you so much for joining me, and I really appreciate y'all. Leave me any comments if you have questions. I am happy to, I answer every comment. You know, now sometimes I get real smarmy comments and I might delete those. I got one of those this morning. I'd rather have things that are encouraging. You know, if it's constructive criticism, I absolutely will take that. I enjoy all of my viewers so much, and I appreciate y'all so much. But I just wanted to, do this brief video for y'all so you can learn a new skill. And go by undertexassky.com, and if you're interested in purchasing these, there's a store there. It's not super sophisticated. It just, it's got a shopping cart. You put it in there, and it'll take care of the rest. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you guys give this a try. Just know that whatever it is, take a chance and do it. Don't think, oh my God, that just looks really, really hard. I don't even want to try. try it. If you see something that you love and you want to do, don't be afraid. You've got nothing to lose. Just give it a try. You'll be surprised at what you can do. I appreciate y'all, and thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Blessings to you.